spend a cozy evening with me. I'm just about to leave to go to the shops. It's a nice summer's evening, it's 7 o'clock, and I was going to drive to the shop, but I haven't done any exercise for the past week, so I thought I would walk there to get some food for the flat, but also I'm going to make some banana bread and some granola because I've got some ripe bananas that I need to use. So yeah, let's walk to Lidl, and I think I'm going to scoot back because the shopping will be too heavy. So let's go. Let's ignore this giant hole in my wall. It's for an extractor fan, we've just not put the cover on. I am going to put a podcast on. My favourite podcasts are, I love listening to LuxGen specifically, Jake Shane, Call Her Daddy. Let's see what she's got. Let me know any podcasts that you like to listen to because I feel like I need more. I also love Nearly Parents, Jamie and Sophie. Okay, I'm just going to listen to Nearly Parents because otherwise I could be here for ages and I need to go. Maybe I'll bring my rucksack with me because that's easier. I had to put trackers on my keys because I lost them once and it like frightened me that I was going to have to spend like £500 to get my locks on my car changed. Found them, but now I've got trackers on them, so I will never lose them. Let's go, finally. I just got back from the supermarket, so I thought I'd do a little haul. I'm so thirsty. Let me grab a drink. Oh my god, so good. It's not a very exciting haul, but I quite like watching shopping hauls, so let me show you what I got. So my boyfriend wanted stuffing and chicken sandwiches, so I got some stuffing mix and some sandwich buns. I also got a whole chicken, like a cooked chicken, because I find the like small packets of cooked chicken are just really expensive, and this is actually, it was like £5, so it's a bit more value for money. So yeah, chicken and stuffing sandwiches for lunch. Then for dinner tomorrow and probably Thursday, I really love making lentil and sausage. I guess it's kind of like a stew with peppers and onions. I've got some red onions as well. I needed some extra bits for my baking, so I got butter, baking soda, eggs and self-raising flour. Then I got some giant oranges, washing up liquid, shower gel. Also got chocolate chips to put in the banana bread. Ran out of ketchup and they only had this giant one. I thought I might have chicken and cheese sandwiches, so I got some cheese. And then I got this mango yogurt, which looks really nice, and then some sandwich bags. So that all came to £30, which I thought was really good. So I'm just going to put this all away and then start making the banana bread. But it's already like 8:30, And banana bread takes quite long to cook, so I don't even know if I'm gonna have any tonight. So we'll see. So I'm gonna get started on the banana bread. The recipe I'm using, I'll link it below. It's just the BBC Good Food one. So let's preheat the oven. I've got a big mixing bowl, but I have no idea where it is, and I don't understand how I could have lost it when this house is tiny. So the banana bread is in the oven, and now I can get started on my granola. Cozy evening plans have changed. I'm actually going to go and meet my boyfriend in town for some pudding, like dessert. So I'm gonna put this in later when I get back. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do about the banana bread because it's got 30 minutes left and I have to leave in 10 minutes, so I need to turn the oven off. But I checked online, I can like take it out of the oven and put it back in later. This might ruin the banana bread completely. Praying it doesn't. We just got home from having ice cream. I was worried about the banana bread the whole time. It seems to have sunk in the middle a bit, but it should be okay. It should taste the same. So I'm gonna pop it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. So we're just back from having ice cream, and I'm just going to spend the rest of the evening working on my current knitting project, but unfortunately I'm going to have to frog it. So this is the front, which looks great, but the back I was doing jogless stripes, but it just looks a bit dodgy and it's just going to annoy me, so probably going to have to unravel it quite a bit, but because it's chunky yarn it's quite quick to knit up again. So yeah, I'm just going to spend the evening doing that whilst watching Love is Blind. Also, I just wanted to let you know that I've recently put out a new crochet pattern for this striped summer dress, so if you want to have a go at that, I'd say it's obviously you have to know the crochet stitches, but it's quite beginner friendly, so I'll pop that in the description below.